Hello friends! The smartphone industry is constantly evolving, and every year we see new features, design changes, and innovations that blow our minds. Samsung's Galaxy S series is one of the biggest players in this game, and after the impressive Galaxy S24 launch earlier this year, all eyes are on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. In today's video, we'll dive into the rumors and expected features of Samsung's upcoming flagship. So let's get started. Samsung typically launches its Galaxy S series phones every year around January or February. Following this trend, it's expected that the Galaxy S25 will also release in early 2025. So, if you're a fan of Samsung, mark your calendars for those months. Samsung has always kept the naming of its Galaxy S series straightforward, with a base model, Plus, and Ultra variants. However, some rumors suggest that Samsung might introduce new names this time. There's talk that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be called the Galaxy S25 Note, and the Plus model might be renamed to S25 Pro. But as of now, no solid confirmations have been made. It seems more likely that Samsung will stick to the usual naming pattern. Talking about design, Samsung's Galaxy S series has maintained a consistent design language across generations. But this time, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's leaked renders show some subtle yet significant changes. The phone might have flatter sides and more rounded corners, giving it a more modern look. And here's a fun fact. It's rumored that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be 14G lighter than the S24 Ultra, which will be a nice touch for those who use their phones for extended periods. Another exciting rumor is about even smaller bezels and an improved screen-to-body ratio. Reports suggest that the S25 Ultra might feature a 6.86-inch display, possibly marketed as a 6.9-inch screen. If Samsung manages to reduce bezels without increasing the phone's bulk, that's a huge win. Samsung introduced titanium as the material for the S24 Ultra, which gave it a premium feel and more durability. It's likely they'll continue with this material for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, there's speculation about which grade of titanium they'll use. The S24 Ultra had Grade 2 titanium, which is easier to work with but not as durable as Grade 5 titanium, which Apple uses in its iPhone. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung decides. Moving on to RAM and storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come with a whopping 16 GB of RAM, which is a big upgrade for power users who love multitasking or gaming on their phones. As for the base Galaxy S25, some rumors suggest it could have 12 GB of RAM, which is a nice bump up from the 8 GB in the S24. However, other reports say that it might stick with 8 GB, so we'll just have to wait and see. On the storage front, Samsung has teased the next-gen UFS 4.0 technology, which is expected to debut at CES 2025. This new tech will reportedly double the read and write speeds compared to the current UFS 4.0 standard, meaning faster load times and smoother performance for demanding applications.